Attention students and teachers, we are going under a lockdown. There is an intruder on campus. Please lock all your doors and stay quiet. Alright, please, everyone stay quiet. We'll be fine, I promise.
I ain't walking in no club if I can't enter with my two. Got the bitch need live.
Bro, what you doing? Turn your phone off. You gonna get us killed. I'm trying, bro. It's frozen. Whew, alright, I got it. See, look what you did. This not how I wanted to go out, bro. No. You guys can relax. Just wanted to let you guys know it was a false alarm. It was just my ex-wife. But hey, whoever was playing that song, that shit was kind of hard. Yeah, it's called Without My Tool. It just dropped not long ago. Nah, I was fearing for my life. And they talking about music. That's crazy.